Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln8 equals to capital 8. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And they should be like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So this one we need to transform from here to here. So capital B, that is about negative s. Capital A, that is about s. Next, we have the next one. We can use about Taylor series of e to the power of s. So they should be like this. Or we can put like this. The summation n equals to number 0 to positive infinity, and we have s to the power of n over n factorial. So in this situation we have this one. So I will put this one gone here. That means we need to change this one. So we put this one gone here. Now I will put this one gone here. So we can put the summation negative number 1 to the power of n and n factorial go outside. So they should be like this. And this one in here, we have s and l and s to the power of n. So we can put like this. So the next one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we can put e for the both sides. And we have like this. Next, we can do first derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that means u will approach to negative infinity. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here, and we have u equal to number 0. Number 1 we change by number 0. L and S we change by u. So I will put like this. About S we change by this one. So in this situation, we can put n minus 1 multiplied by e to the power of u. Oh, sorry, no need to do this. We just put like this. About the s, we change by this one. Next, we have negative number 1 to the power of n compared to this one in here. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to negative u. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to here. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u approach to negative infinity, so we put this one go in here, and we have t go to positive infinity. When u equal to number 0, so t equal to number 0. So negative u we change by t. We put negative go in here, we have negative t in here. Du we change by negative dt. So because we have the negative side, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. And we have negative t multiplied by n plus 1. Now, the last one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to t multiplied by n plus 1. So we divide both sides by n plus 1. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. Now we need to change the bounds. So when t go to positive infinity, z still go to positive infinity. When t equal to number 0, z equal to number 0. So this one we change by z. T we change by this one. And dt we change by this one. Now we simplify everything and we put n plus 1 to the power of n and n plus 1 go outside. Next, we have the last one, and this one equals to gamma n plus 1 or equal to n factorial. So that means we change this one into this one, and now we simplify n factorial. And now we can write this one on the other way. So we put n equals to number 1. That means we can write into n to the power of n. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.